Are you curious about what foods can boost your health and well-being? Have you ever wondered why omega-3 fatty acids are so important to our diet? Omega-3 fatty acids are essential nutrients that our bodies can't produce, and they come packed with a myriad of health benefits. They can help improve heart health, support mental well-being, and reduce inflammation. Today we're going to explore the top 10 foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids. Number 1 on our list is salmon. This fish is a powerhouse of omega-3 and is fantastic for heart health. Secondly, we have mackerel. This oily fish isn't just delicious, it also boosts brain function and reduces the risk of chronic diseases. Third on our list are sardines. These small fish are a compact source of omega-3 and are excellent for promoting bone health. Next, we have flax seeds. These seeds are a plant-based source of omega-3 and are excellent for reducing cholesterol levels. Following flax seeds are chia seeds. These tiny seeds are high in ALA omega-3, supporting healthy skin and reducing signs of aging. Walnuts take the 6th spot on our list. They enhance digestive health and help in weight management. Edamame is 7th on our list. These immature soybeans are a vegetarian-friendly option and are great for improving circulation. 8th are hemp seeds. These seeds balance omega ratios and support immune system health. 9th on our list are eggs, specifically omega-3 enriched eggs, which can boost your daily intake. Finally, we have canola oil. This versatile cooking oil can help in reducing inflammation. Incorporating these omega-3 rich foods into your diet can be a game changer for your health. Stay tuned for detailed recipes and tips on how to include these in your daily meals in our upcoming videos. Before we wrap up, please remember to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Subscribe to our channel for more health tips and insights, and share this video with your friends and family to help them lead a healthier life too. Thank you for watching, and remember, your journey to a healthier you starts with the right choices. See you in the next video.